Hey guys, so today I have with me the Guess What box. It's called the Guess What box, but what I really have with me is a bag, a really pretty jute bag. So I'll just take you to the contents of this bag. I will put the website link and the price and everything in the description box below. Right now, I just want to show you what I got. So the first thing I have in my hand is basically a room freshener. It's a fragrance diffuser. Okay, diffuser is the right word. I was struggling to find the right word. This is a diffuser from Ad Trend. It's really pretty to look at. In fact, you know what? Let me just open this. I'm actually somebody who loves room fresheners, and I have used diffusers before, though not a lot. Okay. So basically how you work with this, if you've never used this kind of a thing before, is that you put these wicks inside this diffuser and just leave it like that, and then these wicks will give you the fragrance around the room, and it does have a nice fragrance. I can already smell it right after taking it out from the box. Right after taking it out from the box, sorry, I'm speaking too fast again. So this is from Ad Trend. Then we have a couple of sweet treats. There is Gems, something which I have loved since my childhood. I remember when I was a kid, I could eat up like 5 or 6 packets of Gems, like straight up. We also have Cadbury shots. So these are two more things that I have in my bag. Now let me take you to something very exciting. This I thought was so cool. So they have sent an entire set. Like, this is something which no subscription bag or box has done, I think. They have an entire set of lip liners over here. Okay, let me open this for you. I really want to show you what's inside. So this is from a brand called M.Enemy Now Generation 2 Superman. I've never heard of this brand before, but just look at the lip liners they have sent me. There's like so many of them. I guess once you have an entire collection like this one, you really don't need anything else. You're just done with lip liners for a long time. I mean, honestly, there's no shade of lipstick I can think of which won't fit into one of these categories. Now, the lip liner for me personally doesn't have to exactly match the shade of the lipstick. I know a lot of people are really particular about it. For me, as long as it's reasonably close, that just works. But I do use a lot of lip liners actually. By the way, let me know if you want me to make a video on how I do my makeup. I have been getting some requests. It also contains sharpness, by the way. Okay, so yeah, let me know if you want me to do a video on how I do my everyday makeup. It's very simple, but if you just want me to share with you. There's also a little, I don't know what to call this, a basket, which contains 4 nail polishes. This comes from BU Fly. BU Fly. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before. There's like a whole set of glitter nail polishes that I have in here. So that's some more stuff. Then I have something from Savannah Colors. Now this is a brand I have heard of before. Actually, let me put this in the set. This can be actually really nice, for gifting, or if you make handmade chocolates or just something like that. So this is from Savannah Colors, and it's basically, I think, a blush powder. Let me open this and show you what's in there. I'll mention the price in the description box, okay? Oh, okay, so there is a little brush over here. I thought that was really cool. And then, of course, the ready-to-wear automatic face colors. This is basically a blush on. Really nice. Savannah does make good affordable products. I do like Savannah for that. Okay, and then there's a Vega hairbrush. A Vega hairbrush. A little bracelet, which again I'll put here. Oh my god, there's a lot of things. Usually I never struggle to fit things in a frame after getting a subscription bag or box. Then I have, oh my god, this is so cool. I didn't see the last time when I was just checking the bag randomly. Okay, so this is the Avon's Natural Body Care Lightening Papaya and Soya Milk 30-hour moisture. So this is basically a body lotion. Quite appropriate, I think, for this time of the year, because my skin has started getting like really dry. In my upcoming empties video, you'll be seeing lots of moisturizers getting finished. They have also sent me rings. Okay, wow, there are 4 rings in here. Rings. I'll share a couple of pictures and things on Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is superwowstyle. And yeah, oh, finally, that's it. No, wait, there is one more thing I have on my lap. Wait. Okay, so this is basically something which I think you can add to your collar or buttons. You can also wear this just like, you know, around your jeans, the hoops of your belt. You can also wear this as a necklace if you have like a really thin neck. But this is basically a collar chain, you know, you can just put it around your collar. Let me know if you would want me to show you how to use this thing. Again, I can post something on Snapchat and Instagram stories. When I say Instagram, I mean Instagram stories. And yeah, the description cards. So guys, that's what I got in my guess what bag slash box. A whole bunch of stuff in there, definitely. I would say that this is pretty useful, especially for a makeup lover or somebody who's just looking for a lot of things in general. These lip liners will be very useful for me, honestly, because I use a lot of lip liners and sometimes I just don't have the right colors to match. And it's actually difficult to keep track of, you know, because one day you're wearing one lipstick, then the other day you're wearing another one. So just to keep in mind which lip liner you need to buy is also a bit of a headache sometimes, I think. So yeah, that's what I got in my guess what box slash bag. I'm gonna say slash bag for today because I got a bag. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, and yeah, feel free to share this video, let it like, subscribe, and yep, keep coming back for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.